All right, this is a plan on HAL. This is a Shaya power trigger trade idea, Sandro power trigger trade idea combination. So here we go, people. HAL is set up to test $60 to $62. The January 20th 5750 calls or the February 17th 60 calls could be used. HAL needs to break above 5550 on some strong action volume. Strong action volume is 3 million shares on a 30-minute chart. If the volume is not there, then, so basically, if we don't see a lot of power towards 5550, it just gets up there and the volume is under this, I would then watch this base above 5550 and look for strong power over 56 to 5625. In other words, we want to see this base above 5550 and then look for some sort of a volume and price break of 56 area to 5625, okay, to enter the options. All right. This stock doesn't move very quickly, but we have got a great pattern here, great volume pattern, and you know these options can make 150 to 200% gains if we go to these targets. Let's go take a look at the options. I want to talk about a few things here, people. All right, here I'm at the Yahoo Finance Board for Halliburton HAL, and we're going to look at the January 20th calls. All right, people. So I talked about 57.5 calls, and I'll tell you why. So here, this 57.5 January 20 calls. They're trading at 62 cents to 64 cents, and you can see there's a lot of action volume here, 17,000. Okay. There's also a lot at 60, but you know what? This is too far away. You know, for a January 20th options, and I rather go with these ones here. So January 20th calls. The reason why I'm going to talk about the February ones as well, but let's talk about these 5750 calls. Is they're trading very well. There's a very tight spread here, as you can see. And I think this would trigger in around 80 cents to 90 cents area, okay? And pretty much if this was to hit 60 to, you know, or go a little bit into money, even hit 61, you're probably looking at you know, 150 to 200% gains in this in these options here. You know, again, look for the power and the strength. Now if we go up here and we take a look at the February 17th options here, and you can see there's good trading happening in the 55 calls. Okay, so if you would want more time, okay, and you want to spend a little bit more money as well, since you're watching this video, these 55 calls could be used, and they're trading at 258 to 261, and you're looking at a roughly average of $3. Now, if this was to move towards the 60, you know, these are going to double. These are going to go up a lot as well, right? But you could do well. You can also do well with the 60 calls, and this is February 17th, right? So depending how strong this is, and this could be traded and everything, these options go up as well. So these are really nice to use as well. So you're really paying for the time. But you know, one of the simplest things to do is if we're looking for the power, this is going to move. Should move quick enough with the January 20th calls to make money. So it's a choice you can make. Okay, how you want to trade this with the February 17th. Or the January 20th 5750 calls. They're really cheap, the 5750 calls. I like them. They're trading whatever, but they're all trading well. The February 7th, there's a lot of great trading happening in these options for Halliburton, and the oil stocks, the energy stocks could do well in January. So let's go back to the plan here, people. All right, so again, if we don't get the volume on this point here, I would wait for this to base above 55 and look for power through 56 to 56.25. Okay, you need the power. This stock has to start showing us the power in that 56 to 56.25 area if we don't get the strong volume coming in here, which is the earlier entry signal. If you like these plans, you want to see more of these plans, don't forget to subscribe to Power Target Trades. You're going to see the Sandro Power Target Trade. It's going to be a circle. It's going to come around here at the end of the video. You can click on that, and that will automatically subscribe you to Power Target Trades. If you click on this link here, watch what happens. When you click on that link, it brings you to Power Target Trades, where you can follow me on Power Trigger Trade on Twitter by clicking here, and of course YouTube, and also Power Trigger Trade on StockTwits. If you really like these plans, this is a really great plan. As I show you, if you go to this website and you see this, it shows you the entry and the exiting strategy that was used to make these percentage gains. Goog 300% gains, exactly what you see is red here is being documented in this video. It's a great video if you haven't seen my plans, but this is faster moving stuff. But Apple was pretty easy to do. And it did 200% gains in 4 days. It actually went up 100% more before it it topped out on this particular plan. So again, that's the Power Target Trades. Here's the YouTube Power Target Trades, and to get to that website, you click on this link over here, and this is Twitter. Don't forget to subscribe. You're going to see it over here. Thanks for listening. Like the video.